So I like Lake Day. It was really fun. Last year I went on a nature walk, which was nice, and so we walked around the lake, which is really relaxing. And I played a lot of badminton with friends, and everyone brought like books and cameras, so we took a lot of pictures and cards. We played card games, and so yeah, I think that like the most of the days at GL do go pretty quickly, and so Lake Day is a nice like calm day where we all just get to like hang out and talk, and it's nice.
Yeah, definitely. I think it's a really good time just to like, because by that point you've already established like strong friendships, and so I think it's a really good time and space that you can just kind of hang out with your friends and not, there are structured activities during the day, like Mbali said, if you want to do them, but you can also just, hang around and talk with friends. So that's really nice because it's definitely, each day is like, it's a lot. It's really fun, but it's, like you're moving from one thing to another. So it's really nice to just have days where you just get to like relax and not, just spend the time like however you want to.